Introducing Pira Passport with the new base blockchain's Onchain Summer program. The Pira Passport is a key to accessing the ongoing Onchain Summer on the base network. Holders of Pira Passport will get the role Pira Citezen and receive many benefits from Pira Finance and their partners. Here's a short run-through how to mint the Pira Passport NFT. All links can be found in the video description. Step 1. Mint Pira Passport NFT. You can mint the NFT on multiple platforms. We would suggest doing it on Mintfun though. This way you'll receive some fundrop points which may qualify you for later. 1. Go to mint.fun. 2. Connect your wallet, that is Metamask. 3. Choose either Base, Optimism or Zora network. NFTs on Base, Optimism and Zora are equally valuable and their blockchains are similarly fast and cheap. You decide. Step 2. Claim the role Pira Citezen on Guild. Keys 1. Go to the Pira Guild campaign. Again, the exact link can be found in the video description. 2. Connect the required systems, like your Metamask wallet, and have the passport verified to claim the Pira Citezen role currently. Pira Passport holders on Zora network will not be able to request the role because Guild does not yet support it. We will update you as soon as Guild supports it.